It's ASMR. Yay! Before we get this started, I'm gonna need everybody to go drop a comment saying a quiet please. Also, go press that like button. Let's go. So you want waves, but you want ASMR. Well, that's no problem, because I got you. I'm gonna teach you how to get waves right now. Let's get it. Okay, this is a brush. This specific brush is a soft brush. Listen to these bristles. Soothing, right? So basically what a medium brush is when a brush is too soft to be hard, but too hard to be soft. So it's right in the middle. If you can only afford one brush, then I'd say you should go ahead and get a medium brush. A medium is good for all around use. You can use it when your hair is long, and you can use it when your hair is short. That's the beauty of it all. Such a diverse piece of machinery. However, if you don't mind spending some extra money, I'd say you should buy all three: hard, medium, and soft. You'd use your hard only when your hair is long enough for it. Trust me, you'll know when your hair isn't long enough for it, because it'll hurt like a The hard brush is basically just used to reach those bottom layer of hairs. Whenever you start off your brush session, you should start with a hard brush. Then you move on to your medium brush. Like I said before, your medium brush is good for all around use. I personally use the medium brush for most of my progress. After you finish with your medium brush, you're gonna go on to your soft brush. This one is important. The soft brush lays your hair down and gives it that silky smooth look. It doesn't pick up your hair like the other brushes. It does the exact opposite. So anytime your hair is sticking up, use your soft brush. Next up, products. I've explained products enough times in other videos that I really shouldn't have to do it again. However, I will, just in case this is your first time watching one of my videos. I'll also go ahead and drop some links down below to other videos I've done before. Okay, so there's two main products you'll need: pomade and moisturizer. You put the moisturizer in first, then the pomade. I feel like everyone already knows what they do. Do I really need to go over it? To be honest, the only reason I'm not gonna explain it is because my throat is on fire from whispering this long. Like, seriously, this is crazy. I had no idea ASMR was this intense. I think this deserves a like. New title of the video: Waveman Mike tortures himself for 5 minutes straight. Again, I don't feel like talking like this anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the rest. Okay, the do-rag. Put your do-rag on after you finish brushing your hair so it can hold your hair down. Also, don't forget to wear your do-rag at night. If you don't wear your do-rag every night, then you really don't care about your waves, because that is very important. If you watch this far in the video, go comment Mr. Whisper. That's really all I have to say for this video. By this point, I hope that you've dropped a like, and if you haven't, then shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. That's very selfish of you. Just press the like button. Is it really hurting anything to press the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet? Okay, that's it for this video. I'm Waveman Mike. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enjoy your day.